Well, the state's two largest teachers unions, along with unions representing school employees, are calling for change right now as COVID cases climb. They want the governor's office to put more protections in place in schools.
Channel 3 Eyewitness News reporter Courtney Zeller is live right now from Windsor with more specifics for us tonight. Courtney?
Well, you know, they want all schools in the state to be on the same page. So they outline protocols in a report, and they believe this will help keep staff, educators, students, and communities safer. KAVI Shannon has been helping his 12-year-old brother learn from a computer screen since September. He says it's been a challenge due to his mild autism.
Especially with the guidelines and the masks in the classroom, it can be difficult for them to follow the guidelines. So I prefer the social distance learning for them.
The Board of Education Union Coalition, which represents more than 60,000 public education employees across Connecticut, is calling on the state to shift to all remote learning unless stronger protections in schools are put in place.
If these protocols cannot be met, and if we risk spreading the virus through the schools, then we have to look at going remote, which is what many other states are doing right now.
The Union Coalition put together a report called Safe and Successful Schools Now and sent it to the governor's office on Friday. In that report, it talks about protocols, which include statewide consistency when it comes to a COVID-19 case, how it's handled, contact tracing, the quarantining policies, and that teachers and staff are involved in the process because they're the ones who likely know who was exposed.
No, we're not saying, look, shut every school down. We're saying we need the consistent protocols to ensure safety.
In the governor's coronavirus press conference yesterday, the Commissioner of Education, Miguel Cardona, says they've made recommendations to local health and school districts to decide whether their schools should be open.
Decisions have been made based on the local factors around when to close schools. So I don't know that one universal number is the best way to approach it. In some cases, the community spread is greater than in other cases.
Connecticut Education Association also says 40% of students who get COVID-19 have no symptoms. So, of course, it could spread. Coming up tonight at 6 o'clock, teachers are calling for more testing and temperature checks. We're live from Windsor. Courtney Zeller, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
All right, Courtney, we'll see you at 6. Thank you.